Oh, hi, I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing kind of a technique exercise, but it's more like an idea video of like what you can do as far as like a fun tap dance game with your students if you're a teacher or just like with yourself. It's a good challenge. This is a rhythmic technique exercise, I guess. I don't know. But you know the Addams Family theme? It's like the most recognizable rhythm in the entire universe. The da 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 da. I feel like even if you've never seen the Addams Family, you've heard it, you know? Like, so this is the best rhythm around like the Halloween season that I like to use as far as like fun games to play with my classes or just like with my companies, and use this rhythm as the basis for that game. Because again, almost everybody knows this rhythm, or even if they don't know it, they've heard it. You know what I mean? So, one of my favorite games to play is a challenge of how many different ways can you make this rhythm? So one of my favorite games to play is, especially in a larger class, you get your whole class to make a circle. And you have like an order of things. You go, okay, so we're gonna start with me, and we're gonna go this way. And everyone has 5 minutes to figure out what they wanna do. Try not to pay attention to your friends, try not to do anything but focus on what you're doing. And I want you to make up a little combination to that rhythm. It has to be exactly that rhythm. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, or 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7. Has to be that rhythm. You don't have to snap. You can use tap steps or body percussion. That's the rules. And see how many different ways your students can come up with to do this rhythm. There's the obvious one, right? The obvious one. Right? We've seen that, we've done it, it's pretty obvious. But let's have a little fun with it. Let's try paradiddle, toe, toe. Paradiddle, toe, toe. Paradiddle, 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 toe, toe. And I will explain what I mean. I literally just made that up. I did not plan that, I just made that up on the spot, because you can do so many things with this rhythm that you can just pull something out of thin air and it'll fit. So we're gonna do 8 and 1, 2, 3. So let's try that. Dig, spank, step, heel, toe, toe. Dig, spank, step, heel, toe, toe. So we're going 8 and a 1, 2, 3. 4 and a 5, 6, 7. 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3. 4 and a 5, 6, 7. Let's try that together a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7. Isn't that fun? All right, let's try another one. Step, shuffle, cross, step, step. Step, shuffle, cross, step, step. Step, shuffle, cross, step, shuffle, cross, step, shuffle, cross, step, step. So we're doing buffalo, step, step, buffalo, step, step. Buffalo, 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 step, step. Let's try that. So we have 1 buffalo, and then step, step. Buffalo, step, step. 3 buffaloes and a step, step. So let's try that all together. 1 step, step, 1 step, step, 3 step, step. Let's do it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Isn't that fun? That's so fun. You can also do it with like crawls. Sorry, my computer is quacking and I don't know how to make it stop, but it's fine. Or So you can do crawls, you can do all kinds of stuff with this rhythm. So let's do one more just for fun. This one's gonna be an advanced one. This one I made up before I started the video, and this kind of gave me the idea for the video. This one's gonna be a little bit more on the advanced side. So we're gonna do open third, heel, slap, slap. So you have brush, scuff, brush. So instead of brush, scuff, brush back, we're actually gonna brush forward. You can do it back. So you can do a riffle or an open third, but I'm gonna actually take it forward and make it like da da because I showed this move to one of my company members and she was like, that's crazy, I gotta practice that, and she really enjoyed the move. So I was trying to think of some way to like work with her on it and have some fun. But you can do so, but I'm gonna do the, because then it leaves my foot out there, you know, it's kind of fun. So you can go brush, scuff, brush, heel, slap, slap. Brush, scuff, brush, heel, slap, slap. Let's try that. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Cool, right? We can try it the other way. Let's try it that way, just in case there's some of y'all that are doing it that way. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So you have to remember to bring your foot forward for the slap. Then, so we have the first part. Then we have a closed third, a slurp. So brush, scuff, toe, and then drop your heel. And then, just too closed. Just too close. And then an open. So it's open, open, close, close, open. So the closed one, I gotta wake up my computer. I'm not even using it for this tutorial, but I gotta wake it up. So the closed ones are slurp, brush, scuff, toe, heel. So it's a slurp with a heel. Because a slurp is technically, so brush, scuff, toe. I'm doing brush, scuff, toe with the heel lifted, and then dropping the heel. And you can do this with an open, I guess you could do it with an open third, and like step, brush, scuff, brush, step, brush, step. Lots of different variations that you can do with this. Super cool, right? Okay, but this combination, we had the open third, heel, slap, slap, then close third with heels, open third, heel, slap, slap. Let's try it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1. I started counting and then I was just like, it's gonna mess me up, and I feel like we know these counts by now. So let's do it one more time. I'm not gonna count, I'll just count you in. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. My rhythm was slightly off because my weight was in the wrong place. I would redo that for the video, but I feel like you can learn more from the mistake than you can from me just making it perfect. And that's been a thing on this channel for a little bit too. My weight was in the wrong place for the closed one, so the rhythm was off because my weight was not moving into that leg because I was so used to doing and leaving my weight here. I didn't transfer it quick enough, and then my rhythm was off. That's all it takes. All it takes is this tiny moment of, oops, my weight's not in the right place, for the rhythm to just be off. So let's try that one more time. And if that happened to you as well, focus on putting your weight where it needs to go. All right, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. So much better. So much better because I focused on, okay, move the weight into the foot, move the weight into the foot, keep it in your hip. That kind of thing. I hope you guys really enjoyed these ideas. Any rhythm can be used for this. You can use like another famous rhythm. The first one that comes to mind is like the Simpsons. I don't know why. That's not that famous, but you know what I mean. Like, I can't think of any other super famous rhythm off like the top of my head. But like, I don't know why Simpsons came into my head. But you know, like any rhythm can work for this. So it doesn't even have to be like a theme. Oh, for holidays, you can do Jingle Bells. Da 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 da. Cool. So you have, you know, like make this a game that you can do. It's so much fun. You can play it with yourself. You can play it with your friends. You can play it with your class. I love it. So hopefully you guys really, really enjoyed this tutorial. Still working through the injury, so I can't spend too much time on my leg, but tutorials like this are perfect to do right now, especially since I get to do it in spooky season clothes. Also, I don't know if you can like zoom in, but check out these socks. They are the cutest thing. They have these cute little ghosts. It's from Tea Turtle. They have like a sale on their Halloween stuff, and I was like, socks. So if anyone's interested, I'll comment below and I'll give you the link to where I found them if they still have them. But yay, spooky season. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a great spooky season so far. And also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this and normal ones where I give you the exercise and then we practice it to music. We also have choreography tutorials. We have step tutorials where if you've never done like a slurp, I have a whole tutorial on slurps. So if you've never done one of those before, slurps or closed thirds, I have a whole tutorial on those just by themselves. So you can check out the step tutorials as well. We have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's just so much fun. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also hit the thumbs up button because spooky season is fun. But also because it tells YouTube that people love tap dance. So subscribe, thumbs up, have an amazing Halloween month, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.